What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're currently on a couple-hour road trip to pick up a new car for someone sitting next to me.
For those of you who have been with us for a while, just know this is going to be a little bit of deja vu.
I have zero idea what I'm doing, so I'm gonna pull up and park somewhere and see what to do. We assume that you just kind of got in line with everyone else because there's literally just a line of tow trucks and trucks with trailers. And we're here a little bit early, and I think we just wait. We checked in on the app, and we just wait for them to bring it out.
You'll have to tell them. I said you'll have to tell them. Side skirt. Acquired. Is that good? Go tell them.
So, we're stopping at IHOP to eat before we head back home. Are you excited? This side's mint, obviously we knew that. But we're gonna go eat, and I'll show you guys more of the car and tell you guys the plans with it once we get back to Ohio. Before we go starting this and getting it off of the trailer, Mr. Rex checked the oil in it.
I'll see if the lights turn on.
So everything should be, what, connected now? It might need a little jump.
We'll find out.
But
It's raining.
at least this one has a motor in it. That's a plus. Sounds pretty healthy though. Oh hey, there's no intake on it. You're already hitting the floorboard like I said. Oh, it's grazing it though. You just fucked that ramp up. Alright, trailer. Keep going. Alright, you're about to fall off in the back. Dude, it's about to downpour. Caleb's about to have a running car. Dude, the turbo whistle's kind of wild on it. Hey, you excited?
Yeah, a little bit. I'm kind of got it started.
Does that the starting make you feel a little more happy about it?
You know what else is salvageable?
What?
Touch screen.
Oh, that's nice. You need one of those.
I know.
Beat the box.
I don't think I can reach the part.
Say what you said again, Dory.
Beat the box, Kayla.
Kayla's parts car is finally home, and now that we're back, I'm gonna give you guys a little walk around, and we're gonna go over the plans for this car. So this car is pretty much an exact copy of her other car. It's a 2011, same thing, an R-spec, but it has a healthy motor to our understanding. Before we go and pulling all this, I do want to do a compression test, just that way we're not putting a hurt motor inside her car and just have to redo all this again. But that's really like the main piece of why she bought this car. There's obviously a few other goodies that she can salvage off this car, like the hood, the bumper. There's a lot of miscellaneous things that she needs. The damage over here is a lot more further in than I thought when we were first looking at the listing. Like, you can literally see the floor is propped up because it's hit so hard. It is mangled over here. Like, it goes all the way through, like into like where the trunk area is. It's dented up here on like the pillar. It doesn't look like it went much further in the fender, but like looking at a side shot of how much of the car is missing. As you guys can see though, from being inside the car, this thing is completely mangled. Like, you literally cannot even close the glove box. It is pushed all the way in, and it is destroyed in here. Like, if someone would have been sitting in this seat, no one, like, even a kid could probably barely sit in here. Like, my hand, it's literally the width of my hand, it's all that the opening is. That's crazy. I just really wanted to hop in here and show you guys how far in this is really caved. For any of you guys that are new to the channel, this is my girlfriend's 600 horsepower Genesis Coupe. But as you guys can see, there's no motor in it. It is spread out all across the table over here. Kayla bought this car to rebuild. We knew it was kind of blown up, but it ended up being a little more expensive than we all originally thought, which is the reason she's buying this parts car. While she saves up money rebuilding that, she will have a running and driving Genesis Coupe of her own kind. That way we can mob together. I know that she's a little shy on camera, but she is hyped that she got this car. I just found this scrolling on Copart the one day, and I hit up our buddy Ben. He has a Copart account. He's able to bid on everything, and he hooked it up. I'm gonna put his info down in the description. Hit him up and get some cars bought, go through him. I think we're slowly running out of driveway space, because I don't really know where this car is gonna go. I'm about to just park it in the grass. I really wanted to concrete that, but I think I'm gonna end up just graveling it for the time being, opening up a lot more spots. And then down the road, when I have a little more money at my disposal, maybe I'll get that concreted. What's going on, guys? I forgot to record an outro for this video. This video was recorded shortly before we left for Gatlinburg, so there's a lot of moving parts that were going on. But I just want to let you guys know, I appreciate you guys watching. And if you guys watched this long, thank you so much. But now that Gatlinburg's over with, there's going to be some projects finally moving forward, getting done. Because that was like the big thing that I've been working up towards. So hopefully within the next couple weeks, we can finally begin on Kayla's car, getting that motor swapped over. I really want to have that done before it starts snowing. That's my big goal. So we'll have to see when everyone is available to come give us a hand. I'm swapping the motor into that other car, and then she'll have to schedule a tuning. As always, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys that tune in to watch my videos. And as always, stay Stancy.